everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making video on what's in my makeup bag. Yeah, it's funny that people usually make a video on what's in their handbag, but I'm making what's in my makeup bag because I love my makeup bag more than my handbag. Yeah, so let's get started. Alright, so well, let me tell you first that the funniest thing ever happened with me is whenever I buy any makeup product. So later on, I always feel that why did I buy it again? Because I already had one. So this is what I love. I love makeup, and I have many products. Okay, so first I start with this Indulgio Essential Rose Gold Oil, and this is very good oil, face oil, and you can use it as a face serum also, and you can use it before applying the primer on your face. This is very good face serum, and it keeps your skin very hydrated. Alright, so first this face serum, and then I usually apply the face primer, and this is from Maybelline. This is very good primer. Yeah. Okay, and then I always use this Nykaa, the fine foundation from Nykaa, and I have this very good the full coverage foundation, and and I usually use the mousse also from the Lakme Absolute. So it depends, like if I'm going out for 2 to 3 hours, so I always use this mousse, and I don't need to apply the the foundation. Yeah, but I'm going out for the long hours, so I always use this foundation from Nike. Alright, so it's time to show you guys my concealer palette, because yeah, most of the people apply concealer, but I actually don't feel that my face needed, because I don't have any darker area on my face. But yeah, still I'm showing you the palette I have for concealer and contour. You can use it on the contour as well. So this is the palette. This is a lot of shade over here, and this is you have every shade whatever you want. So yeah. So now coming to something that settle down your makeup, which is the Lakme Absolute loose powder. So this is something that you need to apply after applying your foundation. So after applying this, you don't feel that you have applied something on your face. So it gives a very matte touch on your face. Yeah. So another one is the contour from the Sugar brand, and this is one of my favorite product from my makeup bag. Yeah. Okay, so now this is my blush from Forever 52. This is very good. It has very good creamy texture on it, and I have many other also, but this is what my favorite among them, and it has very creamy texture. Very good product of Forever 52. And one of the best part of the product is if you're applying it, you don't need to apply anything else on your face, like applying contouring and the highlighter as well, because it has a little shimmery effect on your face. And if you notice that I have already applied the same right now, so this is very good product, very good. Okay, so now time to show you my highlighter, again from Nykaa. I love Nykaa products, and this is very good shimmery effect. Very good product of Nykaa. Okay, so guys, if I talk about the lipsticks, so I have many lipsticks from different brands. So let's talk about the currently which one I have been used is again Nykaa. This is very good shade. I have the shade Game On. This is not matte. This is creamy texture. This is a creamy look. Okay, and again the mascara. This is from Faces Canada. Currently, I have used the same. This is very good and natural. It gives you a natural look. Okay, so and the kajal is, where's my kajal? kajal is from Lakme 929. This is the gel eyeliner, and it works 2 in 1. Like you can apply it as a eyeliner and the kajal also. So you know, guys, I don't have much space to keep my all the makeup products. So yeah, what else do I need to show you? I have a lot of eye palettes, from different brands, and one is the favorite one, the Nude Shade from Maybelline. This is the basic eyeshadow palette. Okay, so I thought I should quickly show you what all the eyeshadow palette I have is. The one from Jaclyn. There are a lot of colors. Alright, so I thought I should quickly show you some of my makeup eyeshadow palette, which is this from Jaclyn Hill. There are a lot of colors, a lot of bright colors. And secondly, from Neon Shock, very good eyeshadow palette, and it contains the glitter one as well as the matte one. Another one is the mini eyeshadow palette. This is my favorite one, and it also contains some kind of the neon colors. And this one is from very old palette of mine, very local. And this one is the glitter eyeshadow palette. And yeah, this one is the Forever 52 glitter, the dusty glitter, and it is very good glitter, very good. Highly recommend. So that is all for today, guys. So if you really like the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.